Hey Vani, I have 47 candies and you gave me 36 more. How many do I have now? Let's add them. But wait, 47 plus 36, this might need some carryover. Let's line them up. Keep 4 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place. Then keep 3 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. 7 plus 6 is 13. We can't write 13 in the ones place. Right. We carry over 3 in the ones place and 10 in the tens place. Now add 4 plus 3 is 7 and don't forget the one we carried over. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 47 plus 36 is 83. Addition with carryover is fun. And we did it together. So today we learned about addition with carryover. Make sure to watch it. Bye, this is me, Ivani, signing off. Bye, this is me, Arvi, signing off. See you next time.